Hello, we are Group 1. Today, we will tell you the way of using set theory to analyze connections in social networks. Let's go. Have you ever wondered how Facebook finds your mutual friends or how Instagram suggests people you may know? Behind these features lies a simple but powerful branch of mathematics, set theory. Today, we will see how set theory helps analyze and visualize connections in social networks. Set theory is the mathematics of collections, or sets. Each user in a social network can be represented as an element of a set. For example, set A includes Alice, Bob, and Charlie, people who like basketball. Set B includes Bob, Diana, and Emma, people who like music. Notice that Bob appears in both sets, connecting these groups. Let's see theoretical background. Venn diagrams make it easy to visualize these relationships. You can see that A and B are set. The rectangle represents the universal set of all users. The overlapping circles or yellow shade show how groups intersect. The areas outside a set or blue shade represent the complement, means users not in that group. For now, you don't have to understand this. Just see how the Venn diagram looks like. Let's explore basic set operations and their meanings in social networks: union, intersection, difference, universal set, complement. Union, A union B, shows everyone in either group or both. The blue shade represents everyone in Group A, Group B, or both groups. Intersection, A intersection B, shows users in both groups. The blue shade is on the intersection of Group A and Group B. For example, this represents mutual friends in Facebook. Difference, A minus B, shows users in one group but not the other. Or we can say that we want A but don't want B. Universal set, U, represents all users in the network. We use U to represent a universal set. Complement, A, complement, shows all users not in a particular group. In this case we can say that we want all but don't want A. For example, consider this Venn diagram. Number 1, intersection or yellow shade, is Bob. So, Bob is in both A and B. Number 2, union, means everyone in Group A, B, or both. There are Alice, Bob, Charlie, Diana, Emma. Number 3, difference, in this case we want just A but don't want B. So, set A minus set B is Alice, Charlie. We don't have Bob because Bob is also in Group B. We can say that users are unique to Group A. Number 4, complement. In this case, a complement means that we want all but don't want A. In other words, we can say that users who are not in Group A are Diana, Emma, Frank, Grace. In real social media, Facebook finds mutual friends using intersection. For example, we have two sets. My friends and your friends. Emma and Alice are both in my friend and your friend. So, in the Venn diagram, Emma and Alice are mutual friends. Let's see how to find total users who interact with a post on an Instagram using union. We have two sets, like and comment. We use union to find all users that like or comment or both. So, in the example, the total number of users is 8. Next, let's see how LinkedIn suggests new connections using differences. We have two sets, your friends and my friends. Now, we have to find new connections by subtracting my friends from your friends. So, we get Bob, Fluke, Tar as a new connection. Last example, let's see how marketers can use the complement to find users who are interested in a product. Group A represents people who are already interested in a product. We can use set A complement to find people who are not interested. So, we get all people that are not in Group A. To conclude, set theory provides the essential tools for understanding and organizing social networks. We've seen how simple operations like union, intersection, difference, and complement are not just abstract math problems, they are the core logic behind the features we use every day. Intersection finds our mutual friends. Union to calculates total engagement and user groups. Difference helps in discovering new connections, and complement can find new audiences. Ultimately, these simple concepts of set theory allow us to understand, visualize, and find patterns in complex social connections. Thank you for watching.